Hey guys, it's Mel here, and welcome back. Today's look, I am going to show you how to do this olive eye, great for fall, so just keep watching. First, I'm going to prep my face with a Smashbox Photo Primer Water, and then I am going in my T-Zone with the Becca Ever Matte Primer. And then I'm going to take this mini Hourglass Veil Primer and just put on the rest of my face. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And this is in the shade Creamy Beige. Cream Beige. This is a great foundation. It's matte and full coverage, and it costs like $5. It's awesome. For concealer, I'm first going to spot conceal my breakouts with the Better Skin Concealer from Maybelline. This just helps keep them at bay while I'm wearing makeup. And then I'm going in with the E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer and mixing it with the Morphe Concealer just to get a good shade. Then I'm going to cream contour with the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Toast. And I'm just blending that out with a Real Techniques brush. Now I am going to set my face with the Laura Mercier loose translucent setting powder under my eyes and T-zone. And then while that's baking, I'm going to bronze up the skin with this Nars bronzer in the shade Laguna. I believe it's in Laguna. further contour, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer in the original shade, and I'm just going to deepen that contour. I like to be really chiseled just because I have rounder cheeks, so this just helps with the shape of my face. Here I'm just sweeping away the extra powder after baking some. For blush, I'm going to go into this Tarte Bliss blush palette, and I'm going to go with this shade. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I am going to take the shade Moonstone to highlight. And I'm just going to take the Sunlit one and just add it to the top of the cheekbones. And here I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick. I'm going to further brighten my under eyes with this Banana Bright powder from Essence. Priming my eyes with the Nars primer, eyelid primer. And then I just set it with any kind of powder. I'm going to go in with this Natasha Denona 5-pan mini palette. Mini Star palette. It's called the Mini Star palette. Going in with this transition shade. Also going to add that same tan color to the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit concealer and add it to the inner corner and the lid, just so when we put the shimmer on, it really pops. Use any concealer. I pretty much did this all over the lid except the outer corner. Then going in with that really pretty green shimmer, I'm going to apply this where I put that concealer. I'm just taking that back to that blending brush and kind of blending out the edges. And I'm going to take that dark brown, and this is going to be our outer corner shade, just to give some nice depth to this look. Here I'm going to go into this Alamar eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take this shade up here, and it's a little brighter green just to make the inner corner pop. This really brought out that green in this eye look. Then I'm just going to use the Hank & Henry Black Liquid Eyeliner. And I am also going to do a slight wing today. I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Acid Fix Setting Spray to melt all the makeup. And then here I am adding a quick coat of mascara before I apply false eyelashes. False eyelashes I'm going to be using today is by the brand Kiss, and I'm using the Blowout style called Ritzy. They're really pretty. I love the Kiss lashes because they're very wispy and full, but they don't feel heavy on the eye, and they apply so easily. And you can get them at the drugstore. Now for the lips, I was running out of time, so I just used this Tarte lip paint in the shade, I believe this was in the shade Rosé, one of my favorite shades. It's a matte liquid lipstick, lasts a long time, is great. So here's a completed look, guys, with an olive green eye, perfect for fall, warm colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye!